How to set new phone number on Halifax Bank. Let's get started. There are two ways through which you can easily change phone number. You can either use mobile banking app or use the Halifax Online Banking. But first, you'll need to get logged into your account. So navigate to the website or launch your app, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to Profile and Settings icon in the top right corner. Select Phone Number. Tap the arrow next to your current number to edit it. Enter your new phone number and tap Continue. Review the number you have entered and tap Confirm. Authenticate the change using your password, fingerprint, or Face ID. Your phone number will be updated immediately and visible the next time you log in. In case you are unable to use these options, you can head towards the branch of Halifax or also you can call Halifax customer service. So that's the wrap for this video. This way you can easily set new phone number on Halifax Bank. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.